Let's imagine that you have a bunch of GitHub issues in a repository and you want to create a backlog so you can assign them and follow up the status of them. Using artificial intelligence, I was able to map them and move them to a Notion database. So here I'm able to map them, check their statuses, see the summary and the URL so I can keep track of the items more easily. I was able to integrate those tools using Storm MCP. Storm MCP is an enterprise-grade MCP gateway. You can see it as a central application where you can configure different tools and MCP servers to make them work together. Why Storm MCP is a good option? We have enterprise security. It's so easy to deploy and use. I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. We have universal compatibility. We have different ways to access the integration. There is a complete observability dashboard, and the configuration is so simple. You're going to see that in a few seconds. We have a lot of integrations. We can use GitHub, Microsoft, Slack, Notion, Jira, or Atlassian, Supabase, and so on. There are a lot of tools that you may want to try. The website, you just have to look for this button here, Get Started. So you click on that and you're gonna see this beautiful dashboard. In the left menu, I have different options. I have apps, I have gateways, I have observability, I have logging, and I have information, right? In our case, we want to start trying apps. In my case, I need to use GitHub and also Notion. However, let's imagine that you want to use Microsoft Graph. So you just have to click on connect and provide the information that they need. For instance, Atlassian for Jira, you click on connect and you have the possibility of connecting using an API key or Atlassian O authentication. As you can see, in my case, I already have GitHub configured and also Notion. As you can see, here is the connected label. So it is set up for me already. It is time to configure the gateway. So here in the dashboard, you just have to click on the left menu option gateways, okay? Click on that and then you can create a new gateway using this particular button. So I click on that and I have the possibility of creating a new gateway with a particular name. My case, I want to use, for instance, JoanMedia demo, okay? As you can see here in the list, I have the different applications that I have already configured before. In my case, I want to use GitHub and I want to use Notion. So I'm going to click on next and I have the possibility of selecting the tools in a specific that I need for my necessities, you know? In my case, I'll select everything from GitHub and everything from Notion, just in case, you know? However, they recommend us to use just the specific ones. It is going to be faster for us when we need to automate something. So I clicked on create and as you can see, here is the gateway information that I can use to connect with different AI tools. This is the endpoint if I want to use an endpoint, but in my case, I'll click on done, all right? And then I can open the gateway here and get my configuration as an MCP client. I'm gonna click here on Claude, and as you can see, I'll be using the local config with API key. And this is the configuration that I need to add in my Claude desktop application to get this working. So I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna open Claude, and I need to go here to Claude, configuration, developer, and then I need to click on this button, edit configuration. It is gonna redirect me to this particular file, Claude Desktop config JSON, and I'll be opening this with cursor. Now that I have this JSON over here, I have to look for the MCP server that they provided, which is this one over here. I'm gonna go to cursor again and I'm gonna paste it under my Playwright MCP server. There it is. That as simple as that, we have our Storm MCP gateway configured. I'm gonna save the changes and I'll restart Claude because I need it. And once I restarted Claude, you can see that I have the Playwright MCP server and also the Storm MCP JoanMedia gateway. So my plan here is to use the second one, the Storm MCP, just to prove that my integration is working correctly. Okay, masters, it is time for the demo. First of all, I want to make sure that I don't use another MCP server that I don't want to use, or MCP gateways. So I select the one that I just configured, this one, right? Storm MCP JoanMedia. So I activate it first, and then I'm gonna go to Notion. I'm gonna delete the entries that I have over here just to confirm that the integration is working fine. So as I told you at the beginning, my plan is to connect to this particular repository, LangGraph agents, and I invented a couple of fake issues. One, node state not persisting across async calls, and then a conversation flow loops infinitely with conditional edges. So those are a couple of issues with its description inside, and also well, some details over here that we can map and I can transfer to our Notion page. Extract all open GitHub issues from JoanMedia, which is my GitHub username, and LangGraph agents, which is the repository, and add them to my Notion to-dos database. Okay? As you can see, for each issue, I need to capture the title, the number, the labels, the statuses, assignee, created date, URL, and one sentence summary of each of them. If an item already exists inside the same repository and issue number, updated it instead of creating a duplicate. So this is going to help us in the future if we want to remap the issues that we have available in the repo and create or update the database. So I'm going to run it. I'm going to click here in the orange button and it is going to start the magic. So as you can see, it is telling me that it is going to help me to extract the open GitHub issues. As you can see, here is the call, and basically it is using our gateway to do it. It is saying that it found a couple of issues in the repository, and also it found the, let me allow this, it also found the database. So it is just a matter of post them in our database. So it starts the process, and as you can see, it is gonna start the creation of them, issue number 1, and it is working on the issue number 2. As you can see, all of this is using our gateway. So it's awesome, right? Let's see the final result. So I'm gonna go here to Notion, and as you can see, I have everything mapped over here as expected. But what I want to show you as well, masters, is that here in the Storm MCP dashboard, we can see the observability. We can have the average response time, the amount of requests, the peak response in milliseconds, the active gateways that we have available. You know, here is more details about what we are doing, and we have a centralized place where we can save the secrets and make sure that we have everything configured in one simple place. I know we can do this probably using separated MCPs, but we don't have the ability to map everything together, have statistics, and also the logging over here if we want to check it out as well. So imagine this for great enterprises, for big enterprises that need this kind of tools. And if you are one of them, if you need this kind of solution, in the first link in the video, you're gonna find a promotional link. So you're gonna have more details about this amazing product. Thank you, Storm MCP, for supporting my channel and my work, and I hope that you enjoyed this amazing tool. Thank you very much, master. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.